what a choppy day here on the SPY to start off and end the day in the same place of support. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So in today's volatility, our SPY bot into the close sent out a bear indicator at 3:15 p.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Full transition on 42 vision from bright green bars to the dip area of white with red borders, testing the support of the day, and put options went up 50% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our bots, and our inflow versus outflow to add that extra layer of supports and resistance within the volatility and to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and join the members using 42 vision to navigate through the volatility with that edge. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. So here we are with the SPY fighting to stay above 595, rejecting 597, and it can't really break out from there. That is a crucial resistance we've been watching, right? We rejected it previously back on Thursday and Wednesday between May 28th and 29th. From the aftermarket hours and pre-market of the next day. We rejected it yesterday as we approached it, and today we're having trouble getting higher, right? If 597 can get broken through, 600 is the level we've been watching based off our inflow versus outflow, which we're going to pull up in just a moment. But let's take a look at the home run of the day. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our bots, and join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. We look forward to having you join us. So our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:25 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision and bright green bars, and hitting key resistance levels, and call options went up 70% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and our inflow versus outflow that acts that extra layer of confirmation to confirm the strengths of supports and resistance and the strength of trend with our bull and bear indicators. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. On the SPY, we can see here a full transition twice on 42 vision from the dip area to the rip area and back from the rip area to the dip area within the volatility of these charts. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we could see on the SPY on the 5-minute the volatility, but the 15-minute is showing us a bear indicator that's holding up at 596, may roll over into tomorrow. And then on the 1 hour, we just hit red bars, but in this pullback, it's not justifiable just yet because there's no bear indicator on the 1 hour, and on the 30-minute neither, right? They're still holding up from 592 on the 30-minute, and on the 1 hour it's holding up from 589. So in the volatility of the lower time frames, yes, we're seeing bear indicators, but they need to get canceled quickly to justify any move to the upside. If not, the bull indicators on the 30-minute and 1 hour could quickly get canceled if supports continue to be broken through. And we're going to look at that as well here with our inflow versus outflow. When we zoom out, we could see here on the 2 hour that rejection of the outflow level that accelerated things from 597 down to 549. We tried to hold up and we rejected 575 all the way down to the 485 level. And you could see that acceleration of outflows up here near 560. So we did push away from this inflow level at 580, but now we continue to reject. This is our third time near this level and second time really touching it, and in the last 2 days fighting, and we're rejecting 597. If it could break out from 597, 599, 600 is crucial. And we've also looked at the 4 hour, how important up here 610 was, but we need to look at 603, 605 before even considering that level. But we're under multiple inflows that are compounding here and pushing us up. Even though we've pulled back, we continue to hold up, and we're under a bull indicator here as well at 580s. But when we zoom in and look at this from the 1 minute, we could see the outflow driven strength, right? Every time we've tried to come back up to 597 on the 1 minute, it rejected, followed by that strength of that bear indicator since up here at 597, and it came all the way down to the support of 595, 596. And this is really where 42 Vision gives us that edge to see the strengths of supports and resistance. Why? Because this has been dominating since the beginning half of the day, and when we started pushing up from here, we got that bull indicator, multiple confirmations, and this inflow that came in dominating there, and we could see how it started to push upwards towards it. And in the live action, when we were down here and we have these multiple confirmations, the level I would be watching is up towards 597, 598, because that's where those rejections of this resistance was formed multiple times, and it was already plotted on the chart. And as we pulled away from this, we would try to retest or retrace to that level. It's not guaranteed to always hit these levels, but they tend to happen, right? Just like this outflow when it confirmed, followed by that bear indicator and the rejection from this resistance, not only once but multiple times. And then you had this outflow come in. The level I would be watching is down here near 595, 596, and it retraced and retested towards it. And now the next level, if this weakness continues, is down here at 594.50 that I would watch. But let's zoom out and look at this from the 3 minute. This is a critical level here, 597.50, 595.50. And then when you go all the way to the 5 minute, same thing. And then the 15 minute shows us that if this gets broken through, the possibility of gapping down, right? Filling that gap of things pushing up yesterday all the way down to 591, 590 is something to not ignore. So the first support I'll be watching is 594.50, then below that 593, and then 591. To the upside, 597 is crucial. And then we have on the 4 hour that 610 level, which we're far from. But the first one I'll be watching closely up here is the 597 and 600 level, guys. These are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows, I'm not going to ignore them. And you can now receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of these charts. Check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.